Yes, yes, please start. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. What are we given in the first place? Children, we are given a cylinder, right? So let us first try to figure out the shape. We are given a cylindrical like object, model. You make model in science, maths, social science? Yes, beta?
Yes,
We are,
ma'am.
we are given a cylindrical shape. A cylindrical shape at the center, and then it is said that two cones are attached to its end. Two cones means one cone at this side. Something like this she is made. Can you just recollect how does it look like? क्या लगता है आपको? What model she has made? Let's guess. What model she has made?
Ma'am,
diamond.
sign.
Okay. And what
Ma'am,
else?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Can I say?
Yes, beta,
Ma'am,
sure.
ma'am, ma'am, the wind direction. Ma'am, the
Okay.
boat shows the wind direction.
Okay, what else?
Pencil sharp by both sides.
Okay. Yes. So very good. Some of you have perceived it in your own imagination. You have given its name. And I'm happy. There is nothing wrong, nothing right, beta, because we are not given in the question what model she is prepared. But yes, as you have guessed, you have imagined something in your mind and you have come out with different names. I'm glad. I'm happy about that. So let's read it further. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. The length of the model is
12
what is the length of
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
word use it its length. It here is used for model. So that means the total length of the model from here till here, it is how
12
much?
centimeter.
12
centimeter.
centimeters.
The diameter is 3 centimeter. So what will be radius?
6 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
half of
1.5.
3.
1.5.
1.5.
1.5 centimeter.
So we need to show here 3 by 2 like this. We need to show division by 2. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, for conical part, the height is 2 centimeter. What will be the height here, children? 2 centimeter. Can you now tell me the height of the cylindrical part? What should be
8
the length of the
centimeter. 8 centimeter.
Ma'am, 8 centimeter.
8 centimeter.
Good. Very good. Total is 12. So this is going to be, this one is going to be 12 minus 2 minus 2, which is
8
8.
centimeter.
Okay. Find the volume of the air contained in the model that Rachel made. We have to find the volume of the air contained in it. Is the volume of air inside is equal to the volume of the model actually?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
And
ma'am.
how, and children, how to find the volume of model now? How do we find the volume of model?
volume of
Volume of cylinder
Volume
plus
of
the
cylinder
volume of two
plus
cones.
2 cones. Volume of 2 cones.
Very good. Volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 cones. Are we good to go? So
Yes,
radius
ma'am.
is this. We have to take care of 2 heights. So let height of cone be represented by small h, which is equal to 2 centimeter. Height of cylinder. Let us use capital H for that. Are you clear with the calculations of capital H? That why it is 12 minus 2 minus 2?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you are drawing this rough figure also for your understanding. Yes? Kindly
Yes,
draw this
ma'am.
rough figure also for your understanding. So now we are left with, now volume of air in the model is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Ji beta. Now
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
formula for volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Ma'am, pi r square h.
H will be capital H. Please be careful. And what is the volume of two cones? 2 into what? What is the
One by-
volume of each
1
cone?
by
1
3
by
pi
3 pi r
square h.
square h.
It's going to be small h. Here it is going to be small h. What can be taken common?
Pi r square h. Pi r square.
Pi r square.
It is different, so we cannot take h common. H is different. Okay, be careful. So now this is equal to pi r square outside. In the bracket we have capital H. 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 small h. Okay. Now let us put
Yes,
the
ma'am.
values. See, if you have a multiple of 7, then take it to be what?
22 by 7. 22 by 7.
Otherwise, not. But let us first solve the bracket. Maybe the bracket is a multiple of 7. We need to cross check that. So let us take 22 by 7. If it doesn't work, we will change it to 3.14. Okay, not an issue. So 22 by 7. And then we shall have R is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Capital H is 8 plus 2 by 3 into 2 centimeter cube outside because we are dealing with the volume.
Volume.
Okay, beta? Yes. Now the next thing. G. If you take LCM here, what is 8 into 3?
24.
24.
So this 2 into 1 is 11. You can cut it. 11 into 9 upon 7 into 2. LCM here 3. 24 plus 4. 3 into 8 is 24, no? Now 24 plus 4.
28.
28. 28.
Now see beta. Can you cancel this 3 and this 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 7 into 2 is 14.
14.
And 24 plus 4 is 28.
8.
Now 14 and 28. So what is the answer you are going to get?
66 centimeter cube.
66 centimeter.
66.
66 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay.